If you are a logo designer or you just want to create a logo for your brand, this course is for you. And in this course, you will learn how to create these beautiful and professional logos for your brand. You also have access to my full prompt logo collection, which took me 1 month to create them for you guys. And trust me, by the end of this course, you are capable of creating any kind of logos that you like. Alright, let's get started. Welcome to Master Logo Design in Midjourney. Do you want to create a perfect logo for your brand? Alright, let's get into it. I have created a perfect prompt formula for logo design in Midjourney. Alright, take a look at this. Imagine a mascot logo, which is the type of logo which I will explain, of a rabbit, which is the subject. Then I want it to be simple and should be vector. We call this style. Then we put the famous designer's name and also the artistic technique that we want to use by Power Rand, and I want it to be symmetry. And at the end you put dash no text and shading details, so it's just going to give you a flat image. Let's try the same prompt in Midjourney version 4 and version 5. Alright, we are in Midjourney and let's click on here, and I'm just going to look for Midjourney model version 5, and my stylize is medium, public mode, remix mode, high variation mode, and fast mode. Now I'm just going to click here, /forward, imagine, and Control V. I'm just going to paste a mascot logo of a rabbit, and I'm just going to try it with different version. So anytime a new version comes up, just add the same formatting system and it's just going to work better than the version before. So in this case, I'm just going to press enter. I'm just going to see the result in version 4. Alright, this is cool, and this is the style that version 4 in Midjourney is going to give us. Now, let's go back to the setting. I'm just going to change it to Midjourney version 5 /forward, imagine, Command Control V, and paste it. Now let's see what we get with just version 5. Alright, so basically this is version 4, very simple, very line based. This is version 5, and let's try the version 5.1. Cool. /forward, imagine, there. And this is version 5.1, is very minimalistic and it's kind of cool. Now let's try the same prompt with version 5.2. So remember, any new version that comes up, just switch it between different versions to get different results. And this is version 5.2. So during the course, you use the same formatting system and just switch between different versions. Let's understand what are the best types of logo to create on Midjourney. I'm just going to explain each one of them. Mascot logo. And remember, when you learned how to use all of these type of logo in the formula which I gave you, then I will give you the access to my logo collection prompt. Here, take a look. I have created more than 364 pins or image or logo design for you guys with different prompt, different style. So you can come here and just copy the prompt. For example, if you like this image, I want to come inside, you like this logo, I'm just going to copy the prompt until here. Make sure you put it on version 5 or version 4 or Niji mode. Just copy the prompt, take it to Midjourney, and just paste it. And you're going to get something similar to this logo. As I said here, you have to understand all of this so you can create your own logo, which is very simple. Just watch this course to the end, and I can promise you by the end of this course, you can create any logo that you like. When and why to use a mascot logo. A mascot is a living character that represents an organization or business. It has a life outside of the logo. Mascot can give your brand or sport team a personality and help humanize your organization. Just take a look at the famous mascot logo, the KFC. It has a character. It has a living character in it. Wednesday, MailChimp, and Pringles. Let's take a look at here. We already created a mascot logo of a rabbit. Take a look at the same prompt, a mascot logo of a panda, simple, vector, no shading detail. This time I removed the bipolar rand. Let me explain something. Again, take out the formula. Sometimes I don't want to use a designer's name or artistic technique. I just want to make it very simple. This is how we start. We start very simple. If we didn't get what we want, then we add a designer's name. If we didn't like the image prompt, we add the artistic technique to it to get exactly what we are looking for. So it's okay to remove something from here. This is a total formula which we can add or remove something from it. So you understand what is mascot logo. It should be something which has a life to it, like a mascot character, tiger in hoodies, all right, like these images. Let's try this prompt. Beautiful elemental kit zone logo mascot. Let's put it on Niji 4 and also dash dash Niji 5 for now. And what is elemental kit zone? I will explain. All right, let's go to the setting and put it on Niji version 4, guys. /forward, imagine, paste the prompt, and this is Niji version 4, and let's see what we get. All right, let's check it out. I believe this one and this one, also this one, are very cute. Let's try the dash dash Niji 5 and let's see what we get. Now I'm just gonna go back and put it on Niji version 5. Come here, /forward, enter, paste, and enter. Wow, it's beautiful. All right, let's see them side by side. All right, the Niji 4, we have more simple, better stroke lines here, and basically the result is simple, flat, and vector based. Here we have more lines inside. It's more complex, has a better symmetry, it's more realistic, and basically if I want to use something for my logo, probably I'm just going to use something like this. For printing, for company, maybe this one is look better. So always try the Niji 4, Niji 5, version 4 also, and version 5, which I will explain. You definitely will get different results with different setting in Midjourney. Now let me explain what are the type of kit zone. Imagine this prompt, elemental kit zone. Elemental, it means go through all the kit zone. What is kit zone? Kit zone, it's the spiritual Japanese word for fox. There are 13 types of kit zone in Japanese methodology. These are the famous ones, which I put the names here. For example, if I like one of these, and I can put the same prompt and use it to get different results. Now, let's try beautiful Kasai Kitsune logo mascot dash dash version 4, also the same prompt dash dash version 5. Let's try it. First, I'm just going to put it on version 4 and let's try the prompt. So imagine, paste it, Kasai Kitsune. Let's see what we get. Enter. Alright, this is beautiful. Now let's bring it back to MJ version 5. Try the same prompt, /forward, imagine the same prompt in version 5. Wow, let's check it out. This is amazing. I love it. Actually, I love all of them. Alright, let's see them side by side. This one is more line based, more realistic. As you see, we got a lot of shadings here. We could put dash dash no shading details on the prompt, so basically we could get something much better, more line based, more vector based, more flat. This one, the version 5, understand it, we wanted to use it for logo, and it gives us a perfect symmetry, amazing style, amazing colors of logo design. So now you understand, if you put a Kasai Kitsune in your logo mascot prompt, you get something very interesting. You can also try this style with different animals. Now, let's try the same prompt in Niji 4 and Niji 5. Now, let's put a Niji version 4. Imagine the same prompt, press enter. Now, here, /imagine. Alright, this is what we get if you put it on --Niji 4. Let's try the Niji 5, Niji version 5. And if we use this same prompt, --Niji 5, I'm gonna get something like this. Let's see the comparison. Niji version 4 and Niji version 5. Which one is better? Just take a look at this one. It's beautiful, it's symmetric. It also has more characteristic to it. This one is very simple. It's like it's not finished yet. But this one is perfectly done. It's amazing. And also it's giving us something to put here, like a brand name. We can remove this and we can add our text here. Just take a look at this one. I like this one, U1 and U4. And I can upscale it and use it as my logo. Now, what's going to happen if I add --no text or no shading details? Let's see what we get. Now take a look. If I put the beautiful Kasai Kitsune logo mascot, simple, vector, symmetry, --no text, no shading detail, I will get something like this. It's more flat, it's more simple, it's vector. So make sure to add this to end of your prompt. Simple, vector, symmetry, no text, and no shading details. Let's try the same prompt in Niji 5. So the same prompt in --Niji 5, you're just gonna give us a beautiful cartoonish anime look logo design, which I believe this one is perfect. If you're looking for like a kid or cartoonish style logo, the best way to go for it is use --Niji 5. So to recap, this is what happened to our formula. Imagine I've switched the subject and the mascot. I wanted to say to Midjourney the subject is more important to me right now. I put the Kasai Kitsune, which is the subject and artistic technique at the same time. Then I put the logo mascot, the type of logo. I wanted the style to be simple, vector, and artistic technique, also symmetry. No text, no shading details. And this is exactly what we used to get something like this. In --Niji 5, I loved this one, and this one, I love this one as well. Now let's try the same prompt with no text, no shading in version 4 and version 5. Alright, in the setting, I put it on version 4, and I put the same prompt with --no text, no shading details in version 4, and this is exactly what I got. When you explain no shading, no details, it gives you more vector-based, more simple, and it's beautiful. This one, I love it. It has a character to it. It's simple. I can print it, and I can use it anywhere I like. Let's try the same prompt in version 5. And this is what we get when I put it on --version 5. So let's see the comparison. This is version 4. This is version 5. I believe version 4 in this case has done a better job. I love this one, this one, this one, also this one. All of them are amazing. This one is not bad, this one is not bad, but I believe the version 4 has more characteristic to it. And also the Niji, in Niji 4, I kind of like this one, and in Niji 5, I love this one. So we can switch between different settings to get different results, guys. Now let's try this one. The mascot logo style, cartoony cow character, full scale, with body, lovely, sticker style, illustration, vector character, smiling, flat logo, flat colors, epic Instagram, artist stations, graphic art, --no text, no shading details. So make sure you guys use the full scale with body, sticker, vector, smiling, flat logo, art station. These are very, very important. And remember, Midjourney tends towards complexity, so you must tell it you want it opposite. You want it to be more simple. Now, let's try all of this. Mascot logo style, mascot logo style. After that, I want to change the mascot logo style and put it in the middle and see what happened, what kind of result you get. In this one, I will tell the Midjourney the mascot logo style is more important to me. First, it definitely should be mascot logo. But here, I say the cartoony cow character is more important to me. Let's see the differences. So if I put mascot logo style, cartoony cow character, version 4, I'm gonna get something like this. If I change the mascot logo style and put it in the middle, I'm gonna get something like this. And see the difference? It's more cartoony looking here and here. Here has more stroke. It's more mascot logo style. This one, less stroke, more cartoony because the mascot logo is in the middle. Let's try this one. The same prompt in version 5, the mascot logo style, very strokey. It has a very stroke around it. It's kind of funny, but look, when I put it in the middle, I'm gonna get a better result in what I want. So basically, I wanted something like this. I wanted something like this. Exactly, all of them are beautiful, more realistic, more characteristic, and this is exactly the mascot logo. Now, for your assignment, let's try this. Happy cute butchery manager face, cartoon clip art mascot, isolated on white background. When you finish, probably you should get something like this. Try it in version 4, version 5, also Niji 4 and Niji 5. Then let's try this one. Happy cute casual worker face. The same prompt again. Cartoon, clip art, mascot, isolated on white background. I don't show you the result. Result is here. You can come back and see what I got. And also try a cute round AI robot. And this is very important. Similar to something. Similar to the GitHub Copilot mascot. This is the GitHub Copilot mascot. I wanted something like this. A round robot with a yellow hard hat like a construction worker, big expression eyes, wears a pair of glasses and boots, and so on. The famous style is similar to something, so you should remember this. And also, I want it to be cartoonish mascot, so make it cartoony. And here, a style is 500. If you want to understand the style and chaos and everything, just watch my first course in Midjourney AI version 5 plus ChatGPT. When you finish your project or your assignment, upload it to the website so everybody else can see your result. Now, here are some legendary designers that I recommend for Midjourney, like Paul Rand. I have 22 designers. You can search them on the Google because I put one of the famous here, like Carolyn Davidson, which designed the Nike logo. Saul Bass, which designed one of the most iconic logo in the history, which we can see here. Paul Rand, the next, the IBM, the ABC, the UPS, Paula Scher, CNN, Rob Jan of Apple, Alan Fletcher, Lyndon Leder, the FedEx, Aaron Druplin. So basically, if you like something based on these images, maybe this one, you wanted something like this or this kind of style. So you put saggy heavy by the end of your prompt, and basically your logo is going to be something like this. This is going to be your assignment based on the designer. Mid-century design of stylized mountain with aspen trees, sports mascot logo, an isolated white background, 1950s black and white color palette, so it should be totally black and white, flat vector illustration by artist Aaron Druplin. So probably you should get something like this in version 4, version 5, try it in Niji 4 also, and Niji 5. When and why to use emblem logo. An emblem logo consists of font within a detail symbol. Think of badges. A good emblem features a simple and clear icon and easy to read inscriptions. Remember that you will put your emblem on clothing, banners, buildings, and a variety of other surfaces. So make your emblem scalable. This is very important. And sometimes I wanted to get just something circle. I don't want the text. In this case also I can use emblem. So I want it just to be a circle with a very cool iconic character. Still I can use emblem as well. Let's see. Now let's try this. Logo, sorghum, 15 years anniversary, professional, sustainable. If you want a color to be specific, call it brick red primary, Tilax and classy white background, sorghum panicle, sorghum grain head, and elegant. This is something that we should use. Let's try it on Midjourney. We get something like this. And this is on version 5. Let's try it on version 4, Niji 4, and Niji 5 as well to see exactly what you get. Let's try this one. Circular badge with a large number 25 in the center. So basically, if you want to put a number in the center of something, this is how you use it. Circular badge with a large number 25 in the center, featuring elements of sports and athletics used as the emblem of a sports event of games. Dash dash style 750. Let's see what we get. Let's go to Midjourney, and if we use the same prompt in version 5, I'm gonna get something like this. Let's try an emblem for a motorcycle group, vector, which is the style, on a white background. And make sure you put dash dash no shading, comma, realistic detail. Let's see what we get. Alright, if I put my setting on dash dash version 5, I will get something like this. Now, let's try it in version 4. If I try this on version 4, I will get something like this. Let's try the Niji 4 and Niji 5 as well. This is dash dash Niji 5, the same prompt. I will get something like game style logo actually. Now let's try the Niji 4, and if I use dash dash Niji 4, I will get something like old style game logo. Now let's see them side by side. This is gonna be version 4 versus version 5. In version 5, I will get more detail. It's more realistic, has a specific exact same spot lines actually. This one, we get this circle. It's not really a circle, it's like line around something. It's not accurate, it's not sharp. This one is very sharp. I definitely can use this one in my t-shirt, in my hat, in my glass. Let's see the Niji 4 versus Niji 5. This is like more game-based, very complex detailed logo style. Like if you're playing Apex, if you're playing games actually, you see a lot of these kind of logos, which you can use Niji 5 for that. Very simple logo for a very simple game like a website game, mobile game. They definitely can use this one with low quality logo style, which is you can go for Niji 4 actually. Now let's try emblem logo design for a barbershop old style. Now try with and without symmetry. Alright, this one is without symmetry. Let's take a look at it. It's kind of weird. I don't like it. Let's try with the symmetry. Let's see what we get. Alright, very cool. If I just add symmetry, I will get something like this. Let's see them side by side. So this one has symmetry word, this one doesn't have it. Which one you like? I like this one, even this one and this one. This is kind of weird, but these three are amazing actually. This one is not bad, but this one is beautiful, is amazing. This is exactly what I was looking for, even this one. Look at the amount of details and lines you get in these images. Please try them in version 4, Niji 4, and Niji 5, and upload your images so anybody can see what was your result. Now, take a look at here. Add vintage style or game style to emblem logo. And this is the result that you can get. If you put lion emblem in a square, a style of Clash of Clans or similar to Clash of Clans game icon, you will get something like this. If you add emblem logo of a special force unit, you will get something like this. And if you put fishing emblem, vintage or retro, which is the same thing in the prompt, you will get like a vintage style look logo. This is a better way to use this kind of words to your prompt to get exactly what you're looking for. Let's try this in different versions. Vector logo, vector art, simple emblem, cartoon 2D, elephant with a space helmet in outer space. I want to try just the version 5. You guys try the version 4, Niji 4, Niji 5, and upload it to the website. If I use this prompt in version 5, I will get something like this, which is very interesting. I love this one. It's very cool. Even this one is perfect. I love this too. And here you can see the better quality of the images. Now, let's try the bear smiles, baseball cap, field, hero, vector logo, vector art, emblem, simple, 2D, and real. This is on version 5. You can try it in a different version. I love this one. The U4 is perfect. It's very happy, smiley, and this is exactly what I was looking for. And here is upscale and the better quality of the images. Let's try Fat Dirty Chef, vector logo, vector art, emblem, cartoon, circle background, games. I'm very interested to see these results. Wow, this is very interesting. Now let's try this in Niji 5, guys. This is the Niji 5, and I think it's very impressive. Let's see it side by side. Version 5 versus Niji 5. I love all of them. It's very cute, but it's kind of angry because we put the fat dirty chef. Let's try the fat happy chef. Let's see what we get. Alright, this is fat happy chef version 5. I love this one. And also this one is very interesting. And let's try it in Niji 5 and version 4. This is the version 4 and also this one in Niji 5. Let's see them side by side. This is version 5, Fat Happy Chef, and this is Niji 5. Let's try this one, the Fat Dirty Chef. Yes, the Fat Happy Chef. And I love this one. Also, this one is very interesting. Oh my god. These Nijis are beautiful. I love them all. Let's see the version 4. Version 4 is not really interesting. The face, the hands, it's not accurate. But the version 5 and Niji 5 are amazing. Especially this one. I don't know, or this one. It's beautiful, guys. I love them. Let's try an emblem logo of ice cream. And we get something like this. It's not accurate. This is exactly why we have to put more prompt, more words to it, like simple, vector, the style that you're looking for to get exactly what you want. But this is not what I want. If you like an image, a logo in a website, and you wanted something like that, you can just copy that image, put it in a Midjourney, and add your prompt to it. Let's try this. I love this one. I want to add it to Midjourney to get exactly what I was looking for. So this is my email link. You can right click on it and copy image link. Just paste it here, put your prompt here in version 5, and you will get something like this. Now let's see the better quality. Here, I love it. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. It is amazing, guys. Now, this is going to be your project. Write a prompt to get a logo like this. When and why to use abstract logo. An abstract icon conveys multiple concepts and various emotions in a single symbol. It is the central focal point of your abstract logo. The icon you use in your abstract logo will represent all the different aspects of your business, such as the product you offer, personality, and values. Let's try this. Imagine you love an icon and you saw it in the internet, you right click on it and you copy the image link. So you have this link and add flying eagle abstract logo design. Let's see what we get. If I put it on version 5, I will get something like this. Let's try the different versions. If I put it on version 4, I will get something like this. Alright, let's see them side by side. Version 4 versus version 5. I love this one. This is kind of splashy logo. And this one is very accurate. It's very sharp. Still, I want it to be more line-based, more simple. Let's add some prompt to it. We'll get something like this if we add the word simple, vector, flat, and line, we get something very interesting. There's a gap between the wings, and it won't look like that the image that we were looking for. Now let's try abstract human figure Lego design, gym fitness. So if I put it in Midjourney, I will get something like this. It's cool, but it has a problem. Let me explain. I love this one. It's beautiful. But as you see, we have a shading here. You see? Which it shouldn't be in the Lego. So how to make it flat? Click on version 4 and add gradient color to it to make it more flat so there is no shading here. If I put abstract human figure logo design, gym fitness, gradient color, and I'm using dash version 5, I will get something like this, which you see here. See the above, there is shading here and here. By adding on a version that I really like, which is this one, I'm adding version 4, and at the end, I'm adding the gradient color and submit. Then I will get something like this. Let's go back, which is how you can improve the version that you like to make it more accurate for logo design. Also, I can put vector, line, black and white, no, no text, shading, and realistic details to get something like this. So remember, vector, line, black and white will getting you a very simple logo. Now, let's try this Vision I abstract logo. Let's see what we get. If I add this Vision I abstract logo, I will get something like this. But this is not what I was looking for. Let's see here. It's very complex. How to improve it? By adding the designer's name. Now, let's check this out. I'm adding by Linden Leather, and I'm getting something like this. I like this one, but still, I don't like the style. So remember one thing. If you don't like something, always try different artists or designers and also different mode like version 4, version 5, Niji4 and Niji5 to get what you like. Now let's try something else. If I use the same prompt and I change the designer by Saul Bass, I will get something like this. And also I can use the same prompt Niji5 to get something more interesting. And let's see the results. This is Niji 5, this is version 5. So basically, I love this one and this one, and also this and this. So basically, by changing the designer's name, you will get different results. Also, we added the vector, simple, and minimal to the prompt as well. Now, for your assignment, trying the same prompt with different artists, try 3 or 4 different artists to see exactly what you get, and make sure upload your prompt and images so others can see what you have done. When and why to use a geometric logo? Geometric shapes are clean, eye-catching, and modern. The right geometric logo also helps to convey complex idea in a simple and versatile format. Just take a look at the Spotify, Twitter, YouTube, like Olympic Games, Adidas, and so on, Instagram, Windows. Let's try Flying Eagle geometric logo design, and let's see what we get. So if I put it on version 5, I will get something like this, which is very complex, and I don't really like it. I want it to be like a sign, like a cross sign, something like that. So let's see how we can get that. Let's try the version 4. Let's see the comparison side by side. This one is kind of very realistic illustration, and this one also not very interesting. How to change the prompt, what to add to the prompt to get exactly what we're looking for. Let's try also the Niji 5. Let's see if we get something we like. If I put it on Niji 5, I will get a better logo. I like this kind of style and also this kind of style, but I want it to be more flat, more vector, more black, something like that. Let's make it happen. So this was the version 4, version 5, Niji 5. They didn't like them. Let's go to Midjourney. So the same prompt by adding vector, simple, minimal, flat by Saul Bass is going to give us this kind of logo, which still I don't like it. Even though I put the designer's name, still this is not what we want. This was on version 5. Let's try it on Niji 5. This is Niji 5. The same prompt is going to give us this one. I like this one. Let's add a symmetry to it. So I want it to be symmetrical. So if I use the same prompt and symmetry by Saul Bass, I will get something like this. I like this kind of style, but let's try the Niji mode. The same prompt dash dash Niji 5, and this is exactly what I was looking for. If I upscale this one, this is gonna be my main logo. And you can see that from here, from this kind of logo, Flying Eagle geometric logo design, version 4, version 5, we didn't like them. Even Niji 5 wasn't that good. We added vector, simple, minimal, flat by a designer name. We got something like this. We were getting close, but when we added the symmetry on dash dash Niji 5, we got exactly what we wanted. These three logos are amazing on the left side. Even this one not bad, also this one not bad, but this one is the best. Now, for your assignment, try Running Rabbit geometric logo design and try to improve it by adding some words to get exactly what you want. When and why to use brand marks or pictorial marks is probably what you have in mind when you think of logo. Think of the iconic Apple logo, the Twitter bird, the Shell logo. A pictorial mark or brand mark logo is the opposite of word mark, which you see here, Google, eBay, Sony, Visa, Canon. It is a symbol without words. Let's try logo of a deer. So let's add some wordings to it, which is going to be something like this. Sagi Haviv is famous for brand mark logo design. So I want to put it this way. Flat vector logo of deer head, minimal graphic by Sagi Haviv, dash dash no realistic photo details or shadings. Alright, let's add this prompt and let's see what we get. Let's put it on dash dash Niji 5 and also the version 5. You can also try it in Niji 4 and version 4. Alright, this is the version 5 and it's going to be like this. This is like a brand mark. This is like a brand mark. I love the version 5. Let's try it on Niji 5 as well. And this is the dash dash Niji 5, which is very interesting. If you have an animation company, if you're designing for an animation company, this is the way you go. And let's see them side by side. This is dash dash Niji 5 and version 5. Different brand, different companies like definitely different icon or different logo mark for the brands, which is amazing. Let's try cloud shaped logo design. Alright, I've added some words to it. I say flat geometric vector graphic logo of minimal cloud shape, gradient, simple again minimal by Ivan Chermev, dash dash Niji 5, also dash dash version 5. Let's see what we get. If I put it on dash dash Niji 5, I will get something like this. This is interesting. This is also interesting. Now instead of Niji, if I put it on dash dash version 5, I will get something like this, which is very cool. I love this one. This is like a brand logo. This is what you have to design for a company. Let's see it side by side. Niji, not cool. Version 5, beautiful. Now, for your assignment, create a security geometric logo design for a company and share your result in Niji 4, Niji 5, version 4, and version 5. And number 6, lettermark logo or monogram. Lettermarks or monograms are logos that consist of letters, usually brand initials, IBM, AMC, NASA. The full names of these companies can be too long or too boring. Look at the designs here. Unfortunately, Midjourney cannot produce words, but it can generate single letters. And the best way to put it and put typography, you can put serif font, slab font, calligraphic, or black letter fonts to your prompt to get something more interesting. A letter mark of a letter B, logo, serif font, vector simple. And you're getting something like this. Also, a letter of a letter B, logo, serif font, vector, simple, dash, dash, no shading or realistic details is gonna give you something like this. Also, a letter mark of a letter B, logo, serif font, vector, simple, on a white background, dash, dash, no shading, realistic details is gonna give you something like this. So basically, this is the way you can create a letter mark for your brand, which I don't really recommend it. It's very hard to get it in Midjourney. Midjourney is good for a lot of kind of logos, which I will share my collection with you guys so you can see, but not really for letter marks. This is my best prompt collection for logo design in Midjourney, and it took me 1 month to create all of these logos for you guys. We have done this in the course. I want to try it again. Cartoony cow character. Cartoon is very important. Full scale with body. Sticker is important. Illustration. Mascot logo style, which we put it in the middle. Flat logo, flat color. Epic Instagram, and art station, and graphic art. Use these words to get something like this. Let's try this one. A drawing of a cartoon shark with different expressions. So use the same word with different expression. Concept art or context art. Concept art again, official art, 2D game art. You will get something like this. Angry kitty cooking a meal. Twitch emote is kind of an emotion which you can put it in your wordings and your prompt to get something like this. If you want a line-based logo, truck logo, line design, vector logo, minimal, flat, modern, symmetric. If you want to get something like this, an Irish Marvel superhero. His logo is a potato, which is a potato, and he's able to control the rain. It's like a poem, and Midjourneys understand it. Minimal, flat design, vector logo of a dragon with elephant tusks. Dreamlike, inside combined with a crescent moon, and this is exactly I was looking for. Or maybe something simple, a racing sailboat in a contemporary logo. Logo of a mad scientist cat cooking honey. Fire, hot press flames, which is in the parentheses, in a circle. Bodybuilder, vector logo, vector art, emblem, simple cartoon 2D. An illustrative logo for camping using smoky blue based color, which if you're looking for a specific color, with 3D new animal character, wearing sunglasses with the same face, having a beer bottle, and this is very important, appearing out of a tent. A text of camping, below the character, vector, bold line, white background. Simple vector logo, a coffee machine, flat color, no text, an angular with a fishing curve rod as a minimalist 3D color logo. Contour, and you get something like this, very harmonic color. Vector scroll face logo, drawing elegant icon, black and white, white background. This is very important. DNA Style Company, logo of an owl made with bronze, complicated mechanics structure, highly detailed. To get something like this, guys. Shark Mighty Cartoon Justice logo. Coffee shop logo with the red panda as the primary mascot. And if you want to see my collection, please click here to see the old collection at the same time. Pinterest.com/sollyart/midjourney-prompt-logo. You come here to Midjourney prompt logo and you have access to all the logo that I have here. Maybe you like this logo, you click on it. This is the prompt, this is the full prompt. You can copy and paste and put it in Midjourney. I'm gonna come back here. Let's go through all of them. Logo of eagle's head, Asian mom logo of t-shirt. Trust me, I put a lot of time to create this logo for you guys with this kind of prompting. Even if you're looking for a letter, liquid letter, E, B, C, whatever you like, use the same prompt, click on more, change the E to S or whatever you like to get something like this. I'm gonna go back. Let's go through all of them slowly so you guys can see what I have done for you guys. Different style, like a food, burger, like a guitar, like a chef, cat, different kind of cat, letter B, letter A, rooster, like a cool cat, cartoonish design, letter M, eyes, mountain. As you can see, I have a lot of cool stuff for you guys. Just go inside, copy the prompt, and enjoy prompting in Midjourney. Let me go through all of them. It's gonna be a lot. And this is the ones that I have done the upscale version, which you're gonna love them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this course and you have access to all of these prompts, so use them happily.